Hi, my name is Nicholas, and if you want to know the most powerful and effective way to earn income and grow your business without too much stress, then watch this video for the next 30 seconds. Because many people have been unknowingly deceived for years, and these lies are keeping them from making money with affiliate marketing. And you know, the reason that you're not earning enough money is not entirely your fault. But blaming yourself needs to stop. Deal? Let's replace that blame with some action-based responsibility. So, what do you do now? How do you solve your money problems once and for all? Then, let me introduce you to the Affiliate Crusher JV program. Interested in learning more? Then check out all the details below this video right now. You can register for our JV program and start promoting whenever it best suits you. We pay a commission of 30% for every new user you refer to our valuable and highly sought after training. Plus, we'll pay you an additional 5% override on all the affiliates you help, support, and train when they make sales too. And if you own the program yourself, you have all the tools you need to train and support others. Think of it this way. When you refer 10 people, you will make $747. And when you refer 100 people, you'll make $7,470. If you're looking to create a brand new source of income, the Affiliate Crusher JV program is a fantastic product to add to your sales flow. Now, I'd suggest you get started immediately, but that's just me. Action taker. Anyway, thanks, and we look forward to seeing you as one of our top JVs.